Hey St. John's, this is Father Ben. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, and this is your weekly update. I wanted to be here today because first I want to give a shout out to the city of Lynchburg who came and repaired some sidewalk tiles near the narthex entrance to the church as well as into our garden. These were just places that were real sort of up and down over the years and had lots of tripping hazards, and it's the second time they've come out this year and helped us with some areas around campus to make it better and safer for you all and for the community. So thank you, City of Lynchburg. Lots of exciting things are happening on campus. You've probably seen other construction and different sorts of people in and out of the parish house as well as other places on the property. And so just thank you to all those folks who are both working on our church as well as those who are coordinating that work to make everything happen as we continue to beautify our campus and get ready to finish phase 3 of our parish house projects. Weekly update. This week we have our first Introduction to Romans class tomorrow. The book for the summer book study is When in Romans, and of course the New Testament book that goes with that is Paul's letter to the Romans. I keep saying the Gospel of the Romans, and that's just not quite right. We have normal church on Sunday, 8 and 10:30. Following the 8 o'clock service, there's coffee and lemonade in the commons, as well as our farmer's market. Farmer's market is things brought from the St. John's greenhouse at Lynchburg grows. We bring that produce in to sell and raise funds for our youth mission trip, and many volunteers and hands have gone into growing and preparing that food. If you're interested in getting involved at St. John's greenhouse at Lynchburg grows, let us know, and we'd love to connect you with those opportunities as they arise. They could always use more volunteers in the greenhouse. Fun fact, that greenhouse grows over 1 ton of food that gets distributed to the community every single year. Amazing. Also, after 8 o'clock, we'll have the summer choir. The start time for that is moving back to 9:45, and everyone is invited. Whether you sing during the year or not, whether you are little or big, old or young, all are invited to come sing. You warm up and rehearse an anthem at 9:45, and then you join in singing at the 10:30 service. It's a great opportunity to use those vocal cords and to lift your voice to God. At 10:30, we have church as normal this Sunday. We'll also have afterwards the farmer's market, the coffee and lemonade in the commons, and time on the playground, as well as popsicles in the parish house. So I hope you'll join us for some fun and fellowship after that as well. And I know that Sunday is Father's Day, so what makes Dad happier than being with his family at church? I don't know. We'll find out on Sunday. I hope that you all are having a good week. Safe travels for those who are traveling this summer. It's always good to be with you here on the weekly update. Last thing I want to announce, or sort of put a bug in your ear about, we have a save the date for July 18th. July seems to be a ways off, but it's going to be here right around the corner. On July 18th on Saturday, the entire Lynchburg area convocation of churches will gather at St. Paul's downtown. We'll have a Holy Eucharist, we'll have worship together and lunch, and we will be welcoming our new Bishop Karen, to the convocation to be with us as we get to know her and she gets to know us a little bit better. So join us at St. Paul's Saturday, July 18th for worship and lunch and some time with Bishop Karen. Also be paying attention as other opportunities are coming soon for different events and activities in July. You'll see some of this in our monthly Tidings. This month we're doing a June-July combined edition, so you'll see the Tidings probably towards the end of this month. That's why you haven't gotten it in your mailbox yet, but that's coming soon. And we'll have some more photos and information about the bishop's ordination last Saturday to share, and we'll also have lots more interesting things for you to read and more information about what's coming up this summer. We love you. God bless you. Take care, and we'll see you soon, St. John's. Bye.